What makes a good working dog and why is he pretty useless? Working dogs in agriculture need to be highly loyal, highly energetic and highly intelligent. Something he's lacking. And the reason for this is that they're needing to do a job and they are happiest when they are performing in a job, which is why a lot of these dogs don't make very good pets. Most working collies like him would be out all day working sheep. And that's how they would spend their time, and that's what would fulfill them. Unfortunately, with the likes of him, he has not had that opportunity. And these dogs are at their happiest when they have a job to do and a task to fulfill. It keeps them happy. It gives them a sense of self-satisfaction. And with him, he hasn't had that because from the age of a puppy, he was taken in by an older couple who didn't have the energy or the inclination to do anything other than throwing a ball in their garden to keep him sweet. And for a dog like a collie, that is nowhere near enough. And you need to work really hard to keep these dogs sweet if they don't have a task to do. So they don't make very good pets. So I am unashamedly against having these type of working dogs as pets. They should be working, doing the thing that they were bred to do, because as I've said, it's when they're most happy. So why have I got him? Because if we hadn't taken him, he would have spent his life in homes or on the path to being put down. And thankfully, with my job, he can come walking fields with me and he can burn off a lot of that energy. But these dogs take a huge amount of upkeep. Another role working dogs like this fulfill in agriculture is their role in supporting farmers' mental health. Farmers work incredibly long hours in incredibly stressful conditions in some of the worst weather the UK can actually throw at you, often completely on their own. So having a companion like a dog with you throughout that can make a huge difference to your mental well-being. But if you're not on a farm and you're not intending to work these sort of breeds of dog, don't have them. There are plenty of other breeds out there which are more than suitable for your lifestyle and will give you a loving companion in your home.